everyone. Ever since my diagnosis of stage 4 inflammation in 2011, I knew I could heal myself. I felt that within, and I've tried a lot of different things. Nothing has worked, as you can tell, but now I feel empowered to go ahead with new strategies, and I think I can do it. I know I can do it.
I know you can do it. I know.
Yeah.
I know you can do it.
Yeah.
Does anybody look at her face and see the difference in her face?
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, really. It's like, yeah.
Yeah.
It's light. Before it was heavy and drained. Am I right? Am I making this up? Just help me out. Yeah, it's totally different. It's if you look in her eyes and her face, she's healed already. Now, just allow the physical part of the body to catch up with the mental, okay? Right?
I can do it.
Just allow it to catch up. Okay. That's all, okay? All right? Relish the thought.
Appreciate the help.
Well, just know this, I didn't do much, okay?